A senior OpenAI scientist just confirmed on the record that AI models can now outthink, out-research, and out-discover every human researcher on the planet. Your expertise has an expiration date, and it already passed. For 3 years, every career coach, every LinkedIn guru, every tech influencer told you the same thing: AI will replace the low-skill workers first. Learn to code. Get a master's degree. Become a researcher. Stay irreplaceable. That advice just got torched. Sebastien Bubeck, the man who co-authored the Sparks of AGI paper at Microsoft, now leading research at OpenAI, has stated publicly that frontier LLMs are not just assisting researchers, they are surpassing them, generating novel research questions that humans never thought to ask. The people at the top of the intellectual food chain are not safe. Nobody told you that. And the people who profit from that silence are already repositioning their money. Bubeck's statement is not speculation, it is a technical observation from inside the walls of OpenAI. Current frontier models are not just retrieving information, they are forming novel hypotheses, identifying gaps in existing literature, and asking questions that trained PhD researchers missed entirely. This is not a 2030 problem. The displacement of high cognitive value labor is the event that is happening right now, in 2025, while most people are still debating whether AI can write a decent cover letter. The researchers being replaced are not entry-level. They are the people who spent a decade becoming irreplaceable. Here is the number that should make you stop everything. The average research scientist at a top AI lab earns between $300,000 and $600,000 per year in total compensation. When one LLM replaces 10 of them, and it will, that is $4 million per year that does not disappear, it just moves. It moves to the equity holders of the model. It moves to the infrastructure owners. It moves to the 3 or 4 humans who prompted and directed the AI that did the work. This is not a jobs crisis. It is the single largest wealth redistribution event in the history of intellectual labor, and it is being described in earnings calls as efficiency gains. You were sold a story. The story was, learn to use AI tools and you will be protected. Become a prompt engineer. Get AI certified. Stay ahead of the curve. That story was designed for one purpose, to keep you consuming, subscribing, and building skills on top of platforms you will never own. A prompt engineer earns $80,000 to $120,000 if they are lucky. The company whose model they are prompting is valued at $300 billion and climbing. You are a user on someone else's leverage. The wealth is not in the skill of using AI. The wealth is in owning the AI that makes all other skills redundant. This week Anthropic is reportedly preparing a funding round designed explicitly to surpass OpenAI's valuation. Meanwhile, Microsoft and OpenAI just ended their exclusive revenue-sharing deal. The two most important AI companies in the world are restructuring their financial relationships simultaneously. This is not corporate housekeeping. This is the starting gun for the second phase of AI monetization, where the models that can replace researchers become the most valuable assets on the planet, and the race to own them becomes a race for permanent economic dominance. The smart money is not watching this from the sidelines. Every person in the AI economy falls into one of 3 positions. Owners hold equity in the models, the infrastructure, or the data pipelines. They earn while they sleep and their returns scale with every capability jump. Operators direct AI systems to generate revenue. They are exposed but not immediately threatened. The obsolete are those whose primary value was cognitive output that a model can now replicate for a fraction of a cent per query. Most researchers, most analysts, most knowledge workers are drifting toward the third category without realizing it. The difference between positions 1 and 3 is not intelligence, it is where you placed your capital and your time before the capability threshold was crossed. Ownership does not require founding a lab or writing $100 million check. Owning a position in AI means holding equity in the companies that own the compute, the model weights, and the distribution. It means building systems, agents, pipelines, automated workflows, that you license or sell rather than labor you rent by the hour. It means investing in the infrastructure layer, the semiconductors, the data centers, the energy contracts that every frontier model depends on. Figure AI is now producing 1 humanoid robot per hour. Japan Airlines is deploying humanoid robots at Haneda Airport next month. The physical and digital ownership layers are converging, and the window to position in front of that convergence is measured in months, not years. Sebastien Bubeck is not a podcaster making a prediction. He is one of the authors of the most cited near AGI research paper ever published, now operating at the frontier inside OpenAI. When a person with that level of access says publicly that models are surpassing human researchers, that is not a content headline, that is an internal milestone being disclosed. Every time an insider confirms a capability threshold, the window between confirmation and full market repricing is narrow. The people who moved on the GPT-4 announcement early captured enormous value. The people who are moving now, on the research surpassing confirmation, are making the same bet one level higher. The question is whether you will move before the market finishes pricing it in. So here is where we are. The most credible AI researcher inside OpenAI has confirmed that the models are past the human ceiling on research cognition. The wealth that was locked inside human intellectual labor is being rerouted, permanently, to the owners of the systems doing that labor. The window to position as an owner rather than an operator or an obsolete is not infinite. You have the information now. But here is what we have not told you yet. There is a specific class of AI infrastructure investment that historically outperforms every other category in the 18 months following a major capability confirmation, and it is not the company names everyone is already watching. It is the layer underneath them. The layer that every frontier model, every humanoid robot, every AI agent running right now cannot function without. And the number of people who understand what that layer actually is, and how to own a piece of it, is still very small. That video is next. Do not close this app.